Hi, are you aware just how vital video is for every single business? It doesn't matter large or small, online or offline, in every single industry and every little niche, having video to help you convey your business's message is extremely effective. It could be the difference between higher leads, conversions, more sales, and even more importantly, making a positive impression on the audience that you're trying to connect with. In fact, according to HubSpot, landing page conversions can increase up to 80% if there's a video on that page. And up to 64% of the people are more likely to buy something online if there is a video explaining the product that they're looking to purchase. 92% of mobile video viewers share videos with others, and up to 90% said videos are helpful in their decision-making process when making a purchase. Now, these are facts that no business can afford to ignore. Video is here to stay, and every business needs to be utilizing video to maximize their marketing and their branding efforts online. That's why we're here. We want to help you and your video needs. On this very page, you'll see the extent of the types of marketing videos that our video production agency can offer your business. We can produce virtually any type of video that you can imagine. Below, you will see examples of this firsthand. And before you see the videos and think, wow, it must be extremely expensive to have a video like this made for my business, think again. Our prices are among the lowest you can find for these types of video productions. And even better, our turnaround time is lightning fast. If you need videos created for your business, look no further than our video production agency. We look forward to hearing from you and are extremely excited to get started on your next video project today.